What if I told you the billion-dollar Chinese solar industry that's powering the world today started as an American invention? That's right. The technology meant to help the U.S. lead the renewable revolution was quietly adopted, scaled, and supercharged by China. And now, America is fighting to reclaim the very idea it birthed. This is not just a tech story. This is a story of missed opportunity, global power, and how one nation's what if became another nation's we did it. It all started in Bell Labs, New Jersey, 1954. American scientists created the first practical silicon solar cell. It was revolutionary. Clean energy from the sun? That sounded like something out of a sci-fi novel. NASA started using solar panels in space. The U.S. military tested solar tech in remote locations. By the 1970s, after the oil crisis, America had every chance to go big on solar. But then the momentum faded. While the U.S. debated budgets, subsidies, and oil interests, other countries watched and learned. Germany invested. Japan tinkered. But China took notes and made a master plan. In the early 2000s, while the U.S. was investing in wars and Wall Street, China was investing in factories, engineers, and supply chains. By 2010, China wasn't just catching up. They were dominating. China began mass-producing solar panels at a scale the world had never seen. With government subsidies, cheap labor, and focused strategy, Chinese manufacturers undercut everyone else. 80% of the world's solar panels made in China. 10 of the top 12 manufacturers, Chinese. Ironically, they used American-invented technology, refined it, made it cheaper, and sold it back to the U.S. and the world. A technology born in New Jersey now shines over African villages, European rooftops, and American homes, thanks to Beijing. It wasn't a lack of innovation. It was a lack of vision. American startups had ideas, prototypes, even patents. But they didn't get the kind of long-term government support Chinese firms did. Solar was treated like a niche experiment, not a national priority. Meanwhile, China saw the future. They scaled manufacturing, built solar cities, even launched solar panels into space. They turned the American blueprint into a Chinese empire. Let's be clear, China's domination of solar panels did bring some good. Solar costs dropped 80% in the last decade. More countries adopted clean energy. Even the U.S. became the second largest solar market, buying panels from China. But with that came dependency. If tensions rise or supply chains crack, America's green future could be at risk. Which brings us to the present. Today, the U.S. is trying to claw back the industry it once created. The Inflation Reduction Act has poured billions into domestic solar manufacturing. Startups are now working with perovskite, AI-enhanced panels, and energy startup. It's a race, not just for market share, but for independence, security, and leadership. Because whoever controls solar controls the future of energy. So the next time you see a solar panel, remember, it was born in America, but grew up in China. And now the original creator wants it back. If this story opened your eyes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Will America win the solar race it started? Or has China already secured the crown for good?